Hi, I'm Del Bloom, President of Proxima 3D. Proxima 3D is pleased to present this brief perspective on 3D printing. What role will 3D printing play in your future? You're no doubt aware of the hype surrounding 3D printing. It's surely becoming a force, but as with all disruptive technology, that excitement is mixed with some chaos and some questions. Disruptive technology is a revolutionary advance that dramatically changes the way things can be done. Disruptive technology brings new possibilities, but it's difficult to adapt to. Here are a few examples. Steam engines and combustion engines brought about the Industrial Revolution. The airplane completely changed transportation and war. Microprocessors, cell phones, personal computers, the internet, each offered incredible benefits that few anticipated. Here are some suggestions about how to approach 3D printing. First, learn some basics about 3D printing. Next, explore ideas with your colleagues. Finally, try it. How does 3D printing work? First, you design or render your object using computer-aided design, CAD software. All 3D printing starts with a CAD file. The CAD file is converted into three-dimensional mesh files. The mesh file completely encloses everything to be printed. Additive manufacturing software slices that file into layers, each layer about the thickness of a sheet of paper. Layer by layer, the 3D printer builds that object using extrudable or bindable material. The print grows into its final form. If necessary, additional finishing can be done. As you can see, 3D printing or additive manufacturing is a huge change from the way we've always done things in the past. Why should you get involved? First, it's fast. 3D printing requires no tooling or fixtures, saving you weeks of time and significant costs. Next, it's easy to make changes. We make changes to a file and not to tooling or machine setup, saving more time and money. Next, it's green. There's very little waste. It's precise, providing a level of detail significantly better than alternatives. The range of materials available for 3D printing has exploded, offering an incredible variety of properties. Advancing technology is making file generation easier. Machines are getting bigger, faster, more versatile, and more powerful. 3D printing opens up possibilities to make designs that are virtually impossible to make with subtractive manufacturing. For example, honeycomb structures with extremely desirable features are virtually impossible to produce using subtractive manufacturing, but readily produced with 3D printing. What are good applications for 3D printing? The mantra is low volume, high value. Anything that is to be made in small quantities and that has high value is a candidate for 3D printing. Here are some examples of currently popular applications. Prototypes. This is where 3D printing started. Models, things like architecture, landscapes, instruments, museum pieces, exhibits, fixtures, and tooling. Their low volume, high value application for manufacturing should be attractive to your manufacturing colleagues. Visual aids, patterns for casting, again, something costly to produce in small volumes. Short-run manufacturing. There are many more as well in virtually every field. 3D printing is not difficult. Companies like Proxima 3D design and produce 3D prints. Use us to explain, get quotes, and help you stay abreast of developments. Follow 3D printing on the internet and in publications. Once you become involved, you'll be amazed at the number of articles and mentions 3D printing gets. Discuss this with your vendors and your competitors. Most of them are also trying to understand. Explore 3D printing with your coworkers. Review possibilities for your business with your development, marketing, and manufacturing colleagues, looking for projects or applications that might benefit from fast, inexpensive, and accurate 3D representations. Like almost anything you want to learn or use, trial and error is the best teacher. Without capital investment and with limited time and effort, you can get involved and decide when the time is right. Build a CAD file. If you don't have one, have it built for you. Service providers can construct one for you. The sense of what's possible and cost-effective will come quickly. The range of possibilities is almost unlimited. Like other disruptive technologies, it is highly likely that 3D printing will play a significant part in your future. What's happening now with 3D printing is what happens with all disruptive technology. It's improving at an incredible rate. The low-volume, high-value mantra has changing implications. What was marginal last month may be fully justified now. We've covered some of the basics, but there are often many more questions. That's where we come in. Proxima 3D can help introduce 3D printing to your organization, test feasibility of new ideas, evaluate alternative methods, create printable files, print and finish your 3D parts or models with costs and precision that will pleasantly surprise you. To schedule a consultation, learn more, or just bounce a few ideas around, call us or visit us at proxima3d.com. Let us be part of establishing the role 3D printing will play in your future.